Okay, so in the last video I showed you how to create a new page for your website, and here it is. Here I showed you this in the last video using the example of one of my old websites for this, and here's a new page. So the next thing we'd naturally want to do is to add an image. And adding an image is always great because people just like to see things that's colourful. A nice image just makes it come alive. Any web page. Do be careful. Too many. You can have too much of a good thing, of course, and too many pictures can distract people from actually reading the information. So anyway, so let's go ahead and add an image now. I just want to add an image at the very top. Now you can add an image anywhere on the page you want, and that's really easy to do. Wherever you want to add the image, I'm just going to create a little bit of space by hitting return key and just bring the cursor to wherever you want the image. If I wanted the image down there, I would have done this. See what I mean? So very easy, but I want to put one up at the top for this example. So here's the cursor, and to upload an image, I'm just, see this button here, hover it over it, you'll see add an image comes up. Just let's click that, and once we do that, we will we'll get an option for wanting to upload an image. Now, like I've said in the last videos, I'm down the country here at the moment. This is very slow. It will in no way be near as slow for you, especially if you're, if you're in a city or if you've got good broadband. My one is particularly bad. Okay, so this will pop up and it's very easy. Let's just select a file. Great. Now I have some images on my desktop that I want to use. Here's an image here on monthly. Okay. So see, it'll automatically upload, and once it's uploaded, you'll get a few options here. So title. A few things that I'd recommend. Put in a title, something relevant to what the image is, because that will help Google find the image for you. I'd also, so let's in here, because it's for cafe specials, put in cafe specials window, just for example. So also put it in your alternative text, because again it just helps Google realize what the image is about. And I'd also put it in your description. The caption is for if you want a little bit of text underneath the image. So let's put one in here. You don't have to do that, but let's put one in that says "Do good coffee." Okay, and description again, I put in the same as in here. It just makes it a little bit easier. And then depending on size, I wanted this image on the left of my page. You guys can have, depending on what you're wanting to do, you can have it in the center or on the right, and you can also choose your size. Thumbnail is always smaller, of course larger is full size. Medium is a default, and you'll find generally it's the right size for a standard picture. So once I'm finished, all I have to do is hit say insert into post, and it does it all for me. So there we go. There's my image. Great. See, it says "Ooh, good coffee." Fantastic. So once I just go over here and hit update, and that's the effect of just publishing whatever changes you've made to that page. Okay, so we can go up here, and that is the page that I created before. And of course, if I want to look at it this time, I have to reload the page. Any changes you ever make, if you want to see it again, what the changes are on the actual website, you just need to refresh it. So hopefully this won't be too much longer. Again, it's just our slow internet here. And there's the image. Oh, good coffee. And here's the text. So that's it. And of course, if you wanted the text to be underneath the image, just bring it down like that and press update again. So that's it. Hope that was useful, and see you in the next video.